Hi guys, we'll meet again. In this video, we will make a tutorial on how to paint a dull motorcycle body using used rubber sandals. Like this guys. For painting, we don't use a compressor as usual. This time we replaced it with used rubber slippers, which are cheaper, and also the results are quite satisfying. We prepare clear paint and hardener, as well as thinner poo. Before painting, we clean or smooth the motor body with sandpaper number 1500, so that the surface of the motor body is smooth for maximum paint results. After sanding, we clean the dust or dirt that sticks to the surface of the motor body. Like this guys. We cut the used sandal rubber using a knife. Like this guys. We take clear paint. We pour into a container. Just a little bit, not too much. Like this guys. We take paint hardener. We also pour a little bit. Like this guys. We take the PU thinner. We also pour a little. Like this guys. Then we will mix all the ingredients using the rubber that we have cut. Like this guys. After it's mixed perfectly, we immediately paint it on the motor body. Like this guys. We apply it to the motor body slowly and in the same direction, so that the results of the painting are neat and smooth. Like this guys. We level the clear paint. Don't get too much or thickness. We give it little by little so that the results are nice and neat. Looks like the results of painting guys. Woo! The results of the painting in this way can be dry, neat, and shiny. Wet look.
Wow!
Like this guys, the motor body becomes shiny again like new again. Cool guys, amazing, very wet look, like new again guys.
Woo!